Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. Can you please do me a favor? Can you please subscribe to my channel? I know YouTube does some funky things once in a while and unsubscribes you if you don't interact or watch my videos. But if you come here and you watch and enjoy my content, please subscribe. It's at no cost to you. All you have to do is click that notification bell and also get notified of future videos from me. That way, all it does is notify you when another video is up from me. It's free to you, and it just helps my channel because the more people that are subscribed, the more they push my content to others. So today I am sharing with you a haul that I did with my friend Shannon in Minnesota. So I landed in Minnesota around 1:30 in the afternoon. We went out to lunch, and then we had Thursday afternoon, Friday, Saturday of nonstop shopping. I visited 3 Evereves, including their flagship store, their warehouse in Edina, Minnesota, all within a 24-hour period. So she's like, really? You want to go back there again? I'm like, yeah, I don't have an Evereve. Spent way too much, and I'm here to show you what I got. So first up is I wanted to actually check out the thrift store that Shannon goes to. So she goes to a thrift store that tends to it's a Goodwill, but it's in a nice area, so it tends to get nice things in there. And I did find something. So I got this dress by Tarte Collection. I was introduced to Tarte Collection through my front door fashion. And it's a name brand I like, and it's not cheap. This dress, let's see if I can figure this out, because I was having a problem with it in the store. It is a bodycon dress. It's a one shoulder. It was brand new with tags. Now, since when I came home, I obviously washed it. So it's been washed and hung to dry. It's in like a dark gray, greenish kind of color. It's not quite olive and it's not quite gray. And it is bodycon style, and it has a lot of the ruching and wrapping in the front. Now, I was not able to fully try this on. I tried it on over my clothes in the thrift store, so it's kind of hard to see. But we're gonna give it a try now. This was less than $13. So for $13, I was willing to give it a shot. Like I said, it was new with tags. And when I brought it home, cut the tags off and washed it. So we'll see how it looks. But for $13, I was willing to take that chance. So yes, indeed, the thrift store by her had some good finds. For me to find something in my size that I liked, new with tags, in a name brand that I know I like, it is rare. They had plenty of Banana Republic, Chico's. I didn't see any White House Black Market or Loft, but they definitely had quite a few nicer name brands there at very reasonable prices. And as you know, I'm an extra small, and it's kind of hard to find that size in general wherever I shop. So the fact that I found something, I'm pretty happy. Let's just hope it works, because I have not tried it on yet. And it seems rather confusing to try on, but we'll figure it out. Okay, the next thing I got, not very exciting, but it was pretty exciting for me, are my sports bras. My sports bras are usually $54.95. That's their regular price. They were on sale. And from what I gathered from the sales associate, they're on sale because they're redoing them. So I'm not too happy about that. So it's just a Victoria's Secret sports bra. It's called the Knockout Bra. It does have underwire on the inside, which I kind of need for that support. It does have a front closure, and then it also zips up as well. So you are locked and loaded when you're wearing these things. So I got one in black, and they didn't have another black, so I got one in this heather gray, which is good enough for me. And I'm pretty happy because these were on sale. I think the two of them together were $42. So that's, or maybe $44. So that's still less than one. So I was pretty happy. I could have even bought more, but I had no place to store these things. My drawer for my bras and underwear is stuffed, and these things take up quite a bit of space. But I'll try and figure out how to get these in there. Okay, next up. It was our last day of shopping, and I went to TJ Maxx. So I'm saving my Evereve stuff for last, but I'll show you what I got at TJ Maxx. Now, again, I'm an extra small, and whenever I go to a TJ Maxx or Marshalls, there's usually nothing in my size, like 5 shirts, you know? So they actually had a pretty good selection at her store. Nothing like, wow, but at least I was able to spend a good 5-10 minutes picking through. So again, I'm going through this neutral phase, so I don't want you to be like, oh my God, Carolyn, all right? And one I know is a duplicate, so I'm gonna be returning it if I still have the receipt. I just got these white and black tanks. So I got one in white with black stripes. This is by Maxx Studio. TJ Maxx, $9.99. I might even return this. I don't know if I'm going to return it because I don't know if it's 10 bucks worth my time to go to a TJ Maxx. It's up north, but this is a duplicate. I shouldn't have purchased this. I have another striped shirt like this, but because it was only 10 bucks and TJ Maxx is like 5 miles away and will require a special trip up there, I'll just keep it. You know, I'll wear it. There's no question about it, but I really didn't need this since I already had a white and black. The next one is something I didn't have. This is by CC California. They're a size extra small. This one was also $9.99, and these are both mostly cotton. I think this one is 100% cotton. The other one has some spandex. All right, this one's 51% cotton, 46% modal, 3% spandex. And this one, I think, was mostly cotton and some spandex. Let me see. Let's see. This one was 96% cotton, 4% spandex. So these are good layering tanks that I will wear underneath things. As you guys know, I like to layer, but what I'll probably do is style these so you can get an idea of what they are, okay? Next up are my Evereve purchases, okay? First thing, I had it on my list, so this is how I'm justifying it. This jacket is by Evereve. It's $148. I did have a $15 reward, but even still, I mean, it's still $148. It is, I'll tell you, it's linen and I think rayon, but let me tell you what the percentages are. It is 51% linen, 46% lyocell, 3% spandex. For it being in my squashed suitcase and then sitting, not even suitcase, but my squashed carry-on, and sitting on my couch since then, you could see it really isn't too wrinkled. And you know what? I probably won't even iron this. I'll probably just wear it like this. It's just a casual little bomber jacket. Now, I had my eye on a linen jacket from Quince that Lori Lundquist actually showed. And it was really cute, but I never got it. And when I was in Evereve, this was on my list, and even though it's more than that jacket, I didn't want to take the chance of getting that jacket, it not fitting, or me not liking it, and me having to send it back. When I tried this on, this fit perfect. It's cute. It fits my casual lifestyle. It's lightweight linen. I didn't have anything black to wear in the summertime. Like I have coated, I did motos and everything, but I don't have anything lightweight other than a black cardigan. So I was kind of looking for like a black lightweight linen jacket, and this one fit perfect. This fits the bill, and I will show that to you. Okay, next up, this is not very exciting, and you're gonna say, how much did you spend on that? But I know that this is something that I really like, all right? This is by LNA, and it's $68, and all it is a tank. And you're gonna be like, really? A beige tank for $68? Well, this one is special. It's double lined, that's number one. And number two, because it's double lined and the material, and I'll tell you what the material is on this. The material on this is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Because of the material, it kind of sucks you in, all right? So it sucks you in. It is double lined, and yeah, so, and I needed this kind of color tank. So it is quite expensive, but I don't know anywhere else where I can get something like this. Yes, a beige tank you can get like this, but not one that's double lined and can suck you in, and it's in this nice, soft, comfortable, easily breathable fabric. So having all that, for me, it was worth the price. Now, one thing I have to say, neither that jacket nor this last piece I'm telling you was on my radar. I go into Evereve's website almost on a daily basis, and I look to see what's new. If I buy something and it's something similar to what's already on my wish list, I take it off. I update that wish list regularly. I am constantly on Evereve's site. Actually, I haven't been on the last couple of days, but I'm usually on pretty regularly, picking out things and updating my wish list. Well, the jacket wasn't on my radar. I don't think I even saw it on the website, nor was this top on my radar, but boy, do I like this top, okay? This top is by Evereve. It's a size extra small. It's mesh. It is a little bit see-through, but I'm okay with that. I'll be wearing a black bra underneath, and it's gonna be meant to be sexy, you know? It is double layered, and because it is mesh, it is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And I just really, really like the print, all right? I'll come a little bit closer. So it's navy blue, and it has these brown leaves in it. And even though I'm on a neutral kick, to me, this is a neutral print between the colors And between it's not floral and it's leaves and it's fall. I mean, I really like this shirt. So this shirt was $58. So for Evereve, that's not so crazy. So I really liked it, and I said, you know, I'm gonna be sad if I turn this down or it sells out. So yeah, I picked it up. So I picked up the things that I knew that I would be sad if I didn't buy them, and I'd be kicking myself in the ass if, you know, I didn't get them. So that is what I got on my shopping expedition with Shannon. We were both exhausted by the end of each day. There was at least one day that we had to go take a nap. And yeah, so give me a minute and I'll try on these items for you. First up, I have the linen jacket on, and I have it on over the ivory tank. So here is the ivory tank. As you see, it fits well quite here in the arms. It's just your basic tank style. I'm wearing my regular bra here, not a racer back. I don't think I need a racer back with it. No, it doesn't look like I do need a racer back with it, even though it does cut in a little bit. And like I said, for 10 bucks, it's really not worth my time to return it. And, you know, it's always a good basic to have, even if it is a duplicate. I regret purchasing it because it's like, I really don't need it, but it's not worth my time to now return it. So the black jacket, it does not have slash pockets here in front. That's like the one bad thing about it, but that's okay because sometimes those pockets do add bulk, and I don't like that. Up top, there are real pockets here up top. It is a banded bottom. It does have the zipper closure. Zip it up for you so you can see. It's not too tight, plenty of room. I probably would rarely zip it. I would leave it open. The sleeves are a perfect length for me. And yeah, this jacket is a keeper, all right? This is something that, unless it gets ruined, it will be in my wardrobe for the rest of my life. So I paired this with my black Vince Camuto skirt that I got from a Front Door Fashion and my little kitten heels. And this is definitely an outfit that I would wear together. And yeah, all right, give me a minute and I'll try on another item. Next up is my $13 Tarte Collection bodycon dress that I never would have purchased. But for $13, hey, why not, you know? So it is the one shoulder style, which is okay by me because I have a one shoulder sports bra, which is a lot more comfortable than a strapless bra. It is the bodycon style, but it has a lot of ruching here, and it has this little extra piece here in front that's a knot that doesn't add bulk, but I think helps hide my tummy a little bit. So this is definitely like a night out on the town dress. Not sure when I'm gonna wear it, but again, $13 and Tarte Collection, new with tags, had to pick it up. With it, I have paired my Dolce Vita snake sandals. I probably wouldn't wear them with this. You know, I put these on, I'm like, oh, these are really a light color. I didn't realize how light they are. They're snake print. I thought they were more of a darker snake print, so I probably wouldn't wear these with this dress. I would probably choose a darker shoe. But yeah, I had them out, so I said, let me just throw them on with the dress, all right? So this is definitely a wowzer dress, but for $13 new with tags, it's now mine. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, next up is the Evereve mesh top. I was not originally going to wear it with these pants, but as I was looking for the pants I wanted to wear with, I saw these and I said, well, I haven't worn these in a while, let me style them with these. Now, and I haven't worn them in a while because they're faux leather and it's 90-something degrees outside, but this would make a great nighttime dinner fall outfit. So as you can see, it's a neutral, but it's still a print. It's navy blue and it has these different color brown leaves in it. And I decided to pair it back with these faux leather pants that are kind of like in this reddish brown color. And I was stumped on shoes, but I ended up doing my navy blue peep toe heels because I just couldn't figure anything else that would look better with this. So give me your idea, what would you wear with shoes with this outfit? All right, and yeah, this is, I have, I think, 2 more tanks to show you. I'm not gonna show you the bras because I just don't, and plus they're not exciting. And yeah, so give me it's gonna be seamless for you, but I have to get dressed, go on the computer, and maybe after work I can show you those 2 tanks. Okay, see you in a bit. Next up is this little black and white striped tank that I got from TJ Maxx. I probably would wear a racer back bra with this, but it's not too bad wearing a regular bra. I paired it with my cloth and stone joggers I got a couple years ago from, I think, Marshall's. Yes, I found them at Marshall's. And my neutral colored Sam Edelman slides. You know, I'm actually looking for a pair of black slides, but it's okay if I don't get any. And yeah, this is my outfit that I put together for this tank. All right, give me a minute. I have one more tank to show you. Last up is this LNA tank. I'll show you how it looks like this. Yes, you would need to wear a racer back bra, definitely with this one, which I'm okay with. I have that. So yeah, this is a nice little tank. I like the fact that it's double lined. It gives some forgiveness here. And I paired it with a tan little cut from the cloth jacket that I got from Evereve probably back in May, and my camouflage pants that I ordered from Evereve probably around April, May time, and my Dolce Vita tan sneakers. And yeah, absolutely an outfit I would wear. I'm looking forward to styling this tank. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, again, please subscribe. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. And take care. And until next time.